Hey, this is a swing trade idea for AI. And I have not traded AI before, but obviously AI mention of the AI technology is just everywhere. And this is a company that I've been watching and I keep hearing about. And so as I was charting it, I was like, oh, let me pay attention to you. So I am starting on the monthly and I have the 10 SMA up. And first of all, let's look where AI started. It looks like it went public in December of 2020. Um, the high is way up here at what is this 184, and then it just like fell off the planet. And so AI is all the way down here trading like almost like a penny stock, but it is looking strong to me. One of the things that I like to look at when I'm thinking about a swing is it above the 10 SMA on the monthly chart? AI opened above the 10 SMA this month. It was just below it, opened just below it in May and April. But man, look at the base right here. Look at that amazing double bottom right around the 10 SMA, and then the push off of that higher. And so I really like where AI is right now. And what I'm looking at, the first thing that kind of catches my eye is this double top resistance right here at around 30, 370, 34, basically. That AI got the push above it and is currently holding above that level. So it turned a previous strong level of resistance into support and it's currently holding. So I have that level marked right here on the chart. And I really think AI has the potential to keep moving higher. It came right up here to the next major level of resistance, which is around 45.50. It got almost there to about 44 last month and it pulled back. So I would definitely be watching that level. If AI gets the move higher, also keeping an eye on 39.88, pretty much 40, as another level of resistance. So I like to chart from the trend, and it's kind of hard to do that here because AI just had such a sharp drop, like very sharp drop. But I think that here is where AI broke out of that downtrend. So we can see this downtrend here, but I think you can almost see it better on the weekly. Again, it's hard to chart the downtrend from the top because it just fell hard. It just fell straight down. So actually, I didn't need to do that because I already have the weekly chart up here. So AI took a very strong fall, and it looks like right. I think this is like a good place to chart this downtrend from because we have multiple touches, and so it started to break out here. And then what I also noticed, which was beautiful, is the way that AI based right here. It started to base like right at this level, just kind of holding as support right here between 20 and 2250. And then it just kind of took off from there, also at the 10 SMA on the weekly. So I like that. I like what AI is doing, and I like that we are holding above this previous level of resistance right now. So I think if AI can continue to hold and move higher, that there's definitely room to move up right here around 40 and 39. It's currently holding as resistance. So I do want to mark that on the chart from here to about there. We're getting some resistance, and if we can break and hold above this level, I think this is a great entry for calls. Um, so if we can break and hold, AI can get the push up to 50, which is a great move. And if it continues to move up, I think that it can see what's this next level here, 59.60. So, yeah, I think a 10-point move on a stock that is right around 40 is decent. One thing that I would note though on AI is that IV is really high. So that's something to keep an eye on. The IV is high. And then also, something noteworthy is the contracts are kind of expensive for a stock that's only like in the 30s. So, also something else to watch. I did also notice though that AI has what looks like here um, an inverse head and shoulders. So there's the left shoulder. This cup right here is like a head, basically. And then it looks like it could be working on the third shoulder right here. That's a bullish pattern. Or even without looking at this, this is definitely giving cup and handle, also bullish. So there's the cup, and here is the handle forming right here. So I like it. AI is definitely strong. It's looking bullish on the chart, and it has been moving. So I think if it can just continue that momentum, it can definitely move higher. Also, notice this that it got some mixed analyst ratings in June. Some analysts are bullish on it, some not so much. But this one here, the most recent, well, not the most recent, but the one that is showing the latest on June 1st, Wedbush is giving it a huge price target increase from 24 to 50, upgraded it from neutral to outperform, giving it a potential 35% room to run. So that is bullish. And even these other analysts, they still gave it price target increases. So even if the increases and the price targets are low, it's still increasing. So I think that's worth noting. They didn't downgrade it. They maintained. Underperform is not a great rating. Underweight, not great, but they still gave it the price target increase. So I like Wedbush, and I like their analysis. So again, just with the chart, with what the chart is doing, and with the analyst price target increases, I like AI right now. So that is my swing idea on AI. Let me know what you guys think.